Hi guys, in the last class we have discussed first, second, third problems in exercise 11.3. So in this video we shall discuss 4th, 5th, 6th problems, and this is end of this exercise. And in the next class we shall discuss exercise 11.4, which is another important exercise. So these 4th, 5th, 6th problems are very easy and you can solve it very simply. So coming to the 4th problem, if tan A equals to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Here the given condition is tan A equals to cot B and A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equals to 90 degrees. We have to prove A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Given tan A equals to cot B. So they have given tan A equals to cot B. We have tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. Since here they have given acute angles, so we can write 90 minus theta. So in the place of A and B we can write theta as cot 90 minus theta. So we can write cot B as cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus A, here they have given the angle A, so we can write the angle as A. So cot B as cot B will write normally. So we transpose this into this side, so we get cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. So we will remove cot because both get cancelled, and 90 minus A equals to B. So this minus A gets transferred into RHS, means it will become, here it is subtracting. So when it comes to this side it will get addition. So 90 equals to B plus A. So they have A plus B equals to 90 degrees. So they have said that to prove A plus B equals to 90 degrees, hence proved A plus B equals to 90 degrees. And coming to the 5th problem, if A plus B plus C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, hence then show that the tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. They are given A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then we should show that tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. So they have given A, B, C are the interior angles of triangles ABC, and A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. We know that all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees, and A plus B dividing 2 on both sides. So they are divided here, so we will apply same as it is. So A plus B plus C by 2 equals to 180 degrees by 2. So A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 will split this, that's it, because they have again cot C by 2. So we'll split this, equals to 2 ones are 2 90s are 180 degrees. So A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 90 degrees. So A plus B by 2, this C by 2 gets transferred into RHS. If we transfer, here it is doing addition, so it will do subtraction when it comes to RHS. So 90 degrees minus C by 2. So applying tan on both sides, tan A plus B by 2 is equals to tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Okay, when we here tan A by B plus 2 equals to cot C by 2. Here tan gets transferred into cot when it is in the acute angle. When it is multiplying with 90 degrees it will become cot, and 90 degrees will be left, so cot C by 2. So the given proved, they have said that to prove tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. So tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2, hence proved. So that is the 5th problem, guys. And coming to the 6th problem, x plus sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So here they given that to express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. We have to prove sine 75 degrees plus express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. And here sine 90 degrees minus theta equals to cos theta. We already know that sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. So I have given a simplified note for you. And solution, given sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equals to sine 90 minus 50. So sin 75 degrees can be written as 90 minus 15, as we saw in the first problem of exercise 11.3. So that is same in this exercise. So sin 75 degrees can be written as sin 90 minus 50 degrees, and cos 65 degrees. Cos 65 degrees can be written as 90 minus 25. That is 90 minus 25 is 65 degrees. So sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees can be written as sin 90 minus 15 degrees plus cos 90 minus 25 degrees. This sign changes to cos. We already know this sign changes to cos, and this cos changes to sin. We already discussed this. So sin 15 degrees and cos 25 degrees. So they are, these 15 degrees and 25 degrees are in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So they are said to prove that it should be in between the 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So hence proved. Therefore sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees are between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. That's it guys. These are 4, 5, 6 problems, and in the next video we shall discuss exercise 11.4 and get detailed information about that. If you want the previous videos, you can check in my playlist videos, and thank you guys.